Morning students, today we will carry forward trigonometric identities. Okay, last time we have done the first one, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now using this we have to prove some more identities. So today we are going to prove second one, prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now this one, we can prove it either by using the first one or using right angle triangle. But I am going to explain you a very easy method. That is, if we will use this identity for this one, we can get the result whatever we want. So what you have to prove here, we have to prove that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So write down solution now. How to prove? We will write, since we know that what we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That we already proved. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now see, we need tan square theta. So how I will get tan? As I told you that we know the relation tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Clear? Tan theta is what? Sin theta upon cos theta. So if I divide the whole term by cos square theta, I will definitely get tan square theta, as well as we also know that 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. So let's do it now. So right here, dividing throughout by cos square theta. Okay, I am then dividing the whole term by cos square theta. What I will get here? Sin square theta upon cos square theta. Cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. Now sin upon cos is what? Tan square theta, plus cancel it, 1 is equal to 1 upon cos square theta is what? Sec square theta. That is our result. What? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Clear? So it is our the first result. Now we can use this result for some more valuation also. Like I am writing here 1 is equal to, I am just transferring tan square theta towards right side. So what I will get here? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay? That is, in place of 1, we can also put sec square theta minus tan square theta, or keep tan square theta as it is, transfer 1 towards right side, it is sec square theta minus 1. Clear? So this is what our second identity. It is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Let's prove the another one, the last one. It is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Again we will use the first identity, this one, to prove. So let's write down the solution now. In solution write down, we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So what we know that if tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, so what is cot theta? It is the inverse of tan. Surely it is cos theta upon sin theta. So we'll write here, dividing throughout by sin square theta. So what we'll get now? I will write here sin square theta upon sin square theta. Okay, plus cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta. Now cancel it. It is 1 plus cos upon sin is what? Cot, and it is cosec square theta. So it is what our required result, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Similarly, we have some more identities using this one. That is 1 is equal to, we can write here, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, or cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So it depends upon the question that where and how we have to use these identities. So these are the two identities. You can see very clearly what we proved now. The first one is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, and second is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, so just take a time, see how it has been done. So we'll start our exercise 2. Clear? Both the identities, all are very easy, only way to solve it. Okay, so let me move for the exercise question now. Exercise 8.4. Now what is the question given here? That is, express the trigonometric ratios in sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. What is it written? Express the trigonometric ratios in sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. We have to convert sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of what? Cot A. First question. So what we will do now? We will write here since solution. We know that cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So what we will do now? Taking inverse of above. Inverse means what? I am writing 1 upon cos square A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. So what is 1 upon cos square A? It is what? Sin square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So I got in terms of sin. So what I'll write here? Sin A is equal to what? It is 1 upon under root 1 plus cot square A. Clear? So this is our first expression. Now what is tan A? We got the first value, sin A. So we know that, write down, we know that tan A is sin A upon cos A, as I told you in my derivation. So what is cot A? Cot A will be cos A upon sin A. So the next is remaining what? Tan A. So what is the value of tan A? Simply we can write tan A is 1 upon cot A. So we got the another result. See how it is easy. Only way to remember the identities and nothing. Then comes for cos. Okay. What we need? We need sec A. We got the value of sin and tan. We need sec A. So what we will write here? Since sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. So how we will write 1 plus tan square A can be written as 1 upon cot square A. So it is, do one thing, what you have to do, take LCM, multiply cot square A and 1, it is cot square A plus 1 upon cot square A. So what will be the value of sec A? Therefore sec A is equal to under root 1 plus cot square A upon cot A. Clear? So how I did this question? For that I had to remember all the identities, otherwise it is not possible. Clear? So I am giving you question number 2 as an assignment, because you have to follow the same procedure for question number 2 also. So let's proceed for third question. Question number 3 is what? Evaluate. First question is, we have to evaluate. It is given as sin square 63 plus sin square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. It is in degree. What you can do? Either convert both sin into cos. So what will happen? All the term will be cancelled, or either try to convert into the terms of sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Depends on you. So what I am doing here, I am just converting this sin into cos. So it will be solution now. Sin can be written as cos square 90 minus 63 plus sin square 27 upon cos square can be considered as sin square 90 minus 17 plus cos square 73. What will get now? It is cos square 27 plus sin square 27 upon sin square 73 plus cos square 73. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1, identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, 1 1 jar 1. So that will be our final answer. Even we can check also. Okay, you just see how to do, because the questions are important. We have to use the identity. Clear? So the answer is 1. Okay, I am sure that you are getting. Only you have to prepare that. Do very concentrately the identities that are important. Now second is sin 25 plus sin 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. We have to find the value now. What we will do? Again we will use the identity. Which type of? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That identity we are going to use. So what we will do here? For sin theta we will write here cos 90 minus 25 cos 65 plus sin 90 minus 25 sin 65. Now it is cos 65 cos 65 plus sin 65 sin 65. So cos into cos square 65, and it is sin square 65. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay, we are using that identity. Sure. So by this way, we have to use the proper identity at proper place to solve the numericals. Let me solve you one more question from correct option. Question number 2. This question is very important. It has been asked in examination. Choose the correct option. See this one. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. See, the first question is given. It is given as 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. What I will do? I will take 9 common. So it is sec square a minus tan square a. You know that 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. So 1 is equal to sec square a minus tan square a. See how, if we are knowing proper identity, you can visualize it very clearly. See, the value of sec square a minus tan square a will be 1 here. So this whole term will become 1. So it is 9 into 1, and that will be 9. You can see option number B is there. Clear? So by this way, we have to solve the numericals. So in my next segment, I will carry forward some more numericals for you. So here I am giving you one homework. Evaluate. You have to solve this question, second question, as well as try to solve second, third and fourth question as an assignment. Okay. What you have to do? If tan theta is given, convert it into sin upon cos. Sec is given, it will be converted into 1 upon cos. That is, first of all, convert into its trigonometric ratios, and then use the identity, either multiplication or division, whatever may be, and after taking LCM we have to solve it. So don't worry, from next segment I will solve from here, otherwise you just try to solve it from your own, and we have to solve some more numericals of exercise 8.4. So up to this, make a good practice of identities and solve the examples. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and take care of yourself. Goodbye.